How to verify Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let Me Help. First of all, make sure you have this Cash App installed in your device. Once done, tap on Open. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Cash App account. Now to verify your account, tap onto the person icon on the top right. Here you will see your account, just tap onto Personal. Now it is mandatory that you give all your information such as your address, your country, and your other information. Now go back to your account page and under Accounts and Settings, you will see Limits. Tap Open that option. At this page, you can see how much money you can receive, send, and your total cash balance. Now, if you go ahead and check the article of how to verify your cash account, it will show you that when you're using Cash App, you are only able to send up to £250 within any 7 days period and receive up to £500 within any 7 days periods as well. And in case you exceed that limit, you will be prompted to verify your account with your full name, date of birth, and address. Just like so, this is how you get the work done. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.